the lake on this end, and it goes up 32 miles.
32.
I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, it's gone.
Guys, what's this challenge?
Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
You got it till that. Come on, shake, bitches. Underwater, you can't breathe here. You've been looking for somebody like me. I've been looking for somebody like you. Ooh. And oh, my heart is running out of time. I need you right here by my side, and I can be everything you want. 'Cause you can be, you can be, you can be, yeah, a submarine, 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 yeah. We're going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah. We're going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah. Whatever. Look at that. Oh! Wait, I think I messed it up. Good check. Yeah, it wasn't a countdown. You know, I heard it. Okay. Yeah, look, to the left. Oh, what's up? Going deep, going deep, yeah.
So we're going back down the mountain right now, and this is Mel.
Hi.
You've seen her in my Australia vlogs, and here we go.
You could do like a compilation. Okay, don't.
So Jill wants to do challenges down the mountain. So Jill, what's the first challenge?
The tree snapper, it's called.
All right, tree snapper. I think Chloe completed it.
No, I'm saying make me feel.
Okay, would you rather?
Okay, would you rather have cheesy fingers for the rest of your life, or
Or what?
Or a popcorn kernel stuck in the back of your throat for the rest of your life?
What would you rather do? In the back. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I agree. Popcorn kernel. What would you do? Logan, get up and look at your.
Let's see the butt.
Would you rather lose your car or lose every picture you've ever taken?
Lose my car.
Lose my car.
I agree.
You know what? I know for a fact that one of us is gonna fall for this karma for laughing at Logan.
Yeah. It's probably
I know. I just know something.
What's this challenge?
You have to go here. Get yourself.
Here,
Yeah.
here.
No, you have to go quicker than that.
Well, I can't videotape it. Okay. Good deed of the day.
I don't like that. I'm taking it.
I hate that too.
That makes me
My
feel
job now.
Mel's such a good person. Picked up the garbage. How'd everyone like the hike?
good. I'm tired.
So I got back from my hike, as you guys can tell, and hiking and just going on walks is something that I've been doing just to keep myself sane during this quarantine and everything going on. I live in the Adirondacks, so we have like a lot of hiking mountains near us, so I've just been trying a different hike every day. So that was one of the hikes that are near me, that like overlooks Lake George. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, just a little hiking video. If any of you have any other suggestions that I can do during this quarantine to keep me busy, please comment them down below. Be more than happy to do them. Oh my god, I cannot talk. Be more than happy to do them. I'm always looking for new videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as always. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and stay safe and stay healthy. Keep washing your hands, social distance, just stay inside. Let's just make everyone's lives easier. Let's make this coronavirus go away faster, have quarantine be over faster, and let's live a normal life again. Bye guys, see you next time.